Alright, hello guys. Thank you for watching my walking through of my VR conducting system. This is the APK I designed for the VR headset, which is the Quest 3 platform. And I haven't tested on the Quest 2 or Quest Pro platform, but I hope it can works in both way. You better like using the Quest 3 to testing this APK. And then as you can see, the A app I named it, it's a VR conducting 03, which is the version 3. I will dive into the further details with it, and then I hope you can have a better understanding with my walkthrough video. Alright, let's dive into it. Alright, as you trigger the different triggers on the controller, you can interact with the different features in the virtual scene. So for the front or side trigger, it will also interact in the different way in the virtual scene. So as I dive into it, you can see there will be the two hands module, and then a music button, which is the conductor stick. And then if you hold the front trigger, you can swipe the different music in the page. Right now, I just input two music in the music 01 and music 02, and it will lay out the different bands. And then you can also see a dot trial on your hands. And then if we select the music 01 with the side trigger, it will dive into the music levels. Alright, now we are in the music 01 scene. It will lay it out in a modern jazz big band layout. And then if I walk through, walking in the different direction, you will hear the spatial audio effects, which is the different music instruments are laid out in a proper way. And then we are also in a big theater, so for the proper reverb feedback, you will feel the proper reverb cathedral presets based on it. And then as I mentioned, if I pull the front trigger of the left controller, you can select and highlight the different instrument. And then if you walk forward to the left side in the music stance, and then if you raise up your palm and lower your palm, the volume will be properly adjusted, which is the dynamic control feature right here. It might be lagging when I doing the recording of this video, but I hope you testing in a proper way and everything works fine. And yeah, as you can see, when I point out the different instrument for this stream session, and then if you pull the side trigger, it will trigger the volume control. And then if you pull the both side trigger together, it will make a fist. And then if you want to see the dot trial on the button tips, I make a box collider and attach to it. So as you draw in a quick pass or quick speed, the dot will be drawing the red, and then if it turns into the blue, which is, it means you are moving in a really slow speed. Now I'm testing the different speeds based on the gesture movement, and you can also see the color variation. And for the right hand, as you can see, I put a box in front of you, and then as you trigger the trigger box with button or either the hand module, it can track the BPM right here. It will calculate the every 4 beats you trigger the box, which is when you're moving the gesture based on the conducting patterns, conducting gesture. The beat pattern will be calculated by how many times you trigger and how fast you trigger the box. and then it will slightly changing the BPM and also interacted with the music speeds. Alright, this is most of the designing features in my virtual scene. Thanks for watching. Take care.